Okay, this is what I did. I did purchase the machine, the IBM ThinkPad, but this is not my IBM ThinkPad. This is the wife's IBM ThinkPad. What I'm gonna do to this is erase it and put on a new operating system. Bring it back to the factory settings with some stuff here. This is gonna be a way to train me how to install my hard drive for my ThinkPad, not her ThinkPad. Good thing is, I just happen to have to do this job for her, and it's making it become a training tool or a learning tool for me when I do the same thing for my machine. Wish me luck.